An introduction to the glazier's life. The glazier, an expert in glass whose work you see every day but rarely notice. Glaziers cut, install, and remove glass in everything from skyscrapers to shower doors. They're part mathematician, part artist, and part heavy lifter, working with precision and strength. Today's glazier uses advanced materials from energy-efficient glass to bullet-resistant panels. A typical day could mean replacing a fogged window, installing massive panels on a high-rise, or crafting a custom shower enclosure. The variety is huge: indoors, outdoors, new builds, historic renovations. This is a trade for those who want to see the results of their work. In a digital world, glaziers build the physical spaces we live and work in. The job is demanding, but the satisfaction of a perfectly installed window is unmatched. If you want a respected, in-demand career, the glazier's path is worth considering. You'll never look at a window the same way again. Every trade has its tools, the implements that define the craft. These aren't just objects, they're extensions of skill and precision honed over years of experience. And for a glazier, the tools are especially critical. These tools are more than just metal and wood. They are the extensions of your hands and your brain, allowing you to shape and manipulate glass with accuracy and finesse. They transform vision into reality. Let's start with the basics. Putty knives, essential for applying and smoothing glazing compounds. Glazing knives for precise cuts and shaping of materials. Chisels, for removing old glazing or shaping wood frames. And of course, the all-important glass cutter. A sharp, well-maintained glass cutter is absolutely crucial. It's your magic wand for clean, accurate scores, ensuring minimal waste and maximum precision. Measuring tools are critical. Accuracy is paramount in glazing. Tape measures for quick and easy length assessments. Framing squares, ensuring perfect right angles. And laser levels, for establishing precise horizontal and vertical planes. These tools ensure precision, eliminating costly errors and rework. Power tools like cordless drills, for efficient fastening and installation. Saws, for cutting frames and other materials. And multi-tools offering versatility for various tasks. These tools save time and muscle, making your work more efficient. Safety is non-negotiable. It's the most important tool in your arsenal. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris, and keep tools in top shape. Regular maintenance ensures they perform reliably and safely. The iconic Glazier tool, heavy-duty suction cup lifters, a glazier's best friend. These are essential for moving massive glass safely, preventing accidents and injuries. Glazing shovels, for efficient material handling, and caulk guns, for sealing and weatherproofing. These tools round out the kit. Laying a perfect bead of silicone is an art, requiring a steady hand and the right technique. On big jobs where large glass panels are involved, 4 suction cups can move a 400-pound glass panel with ease, making seemingly impossible tasks manageable. Without the right tools, specifically designed for the job is not only impossible but also dangerous, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. Protect your tools, store them properly, and maintain them regularly. And they'll protect you, ensuring your safety and efficiency on the job site. Mastering your toolkit, understanding each tool's purpose and limitations, is the first step to mastering the trade, setting you on the path to becoming a skilled and confident glazier. Every tool has a purpose. Each one is designed to perform a specific task with precision and efficiency. Every job demands the right gear. Selecting the appropriate tools for the task at hand ensures a successful outcome. Invest in quality, choose durable and reliable tools that will withstand the rigors of daily use. And your work will show it, reflecting the precision and care that comes from using high-quality tools. The right tools in the hands of a skilled glazier make tough jobs possible, turning challenges into opportunities for showcasing expertise. That's the glazier's edge, the combination of skill, knowledge, and the right tools that sets a professional apart. Handling glass is a dance. A delicate ballet between precision and power. It requires respect for the material and an understanding of its inherent fragility, of confidence and caution. Each movement must be deliberate, each placement considered. One wrong step, one moment of carelessness, and the consequences can be severe. Always wear cut-resistant gloves. They are your first line of defense against the unforgiving sharpness of glass. Don't ever compromise on this crucial piece of safety equipment. And keep glass vertical, never flat. This minimizes stress on the pane and reduces the risk of breakage. Think of it as respecting the glass's natural inclination. Respect the edges. They are deceptively sharp and unforgiving. One slip can mean a serious injury. A deep cut can sideline you for weeks, so maintain focus and awareness at all times. Cutting glass starts with a clean surface. free of any debris or imperfections that could interfere with the score. And precise measurement. Accuracy is paramount. A fraction of an inch can make all the difference between a perfect fit and a costly mistake. Use a straight edge, oil your cutter, ensuring smooth and consistent scoring, and score in one smooth motion. Listen for the sound of ripping silk. That crisp, clean sound indicates a perfect score, setting the stage for a clean break. To break, apply even pressure along the score. A firm, steady hand is key. The glass should snap cleanly, a satisfying sound that confirms your skill and precision. Always dull the sharp edge with a sanding stone or belt. Safety first. This simple step prevents accidental cuts and ensures a professional finish. Installing glass means prepping the frame, ensuring it's clean, dry, and ready to receive the new pane. Laying compound or tape, creating a seal that will protect against the elements. And setting the pane gently. Avoid any sudden movements that could crack or shatter the glass. Use suction cups for large pieces, providing a secure grip and preventing accidental drops. Press into the sealant and secure with Glazier's points. These small metal fasteners hold the glass firmly in place. Finish with a smooth bead of putty to seal and shed water, creating a weather-tight barrier. Every step demands patience and precision. There are no shortcuts in quality glasswork. Rushing leads to mistakes and injuries. Take your time, focus on the task at hand, and avoid distractions. The right technique means a perfect fit and a safe install. A job well done is a testament to your skill and attention to detail. Practice makes perfect, honing your skills and building your confidence with each successful installation. And safety is always the priority. Never let complacency compromise your well-being. A glazier's best work is invisible, a seamless integration of glass and frame. No cracks, no gaps, just flawless glass. A testament to the craftsman's skill and dedication. Master the basics, and build a solid foundation for your craft, and you'll build a reputation for quality. Satisfied customers are the best advertisement for your skills. That's how you cut and install glass, without losing a finger. A combination of skill, safety, and precision. Working as a glazier often involves tasks that require you to be elevated, sometimes at significant heights. This often means working off the ground, utilizing ladders and scaffolding to reach those higher spots. It's a common part of the job. Your safety, and the glass, are paramount. Both depend on proper ladder and scaffold use, adhering to safety guidelines, and taking the necessary precautions. Inspect ladders before every climb, it's a critical step. Check rungs, rails, and locks meticulously. Make sure everything is in working order. Never use a damaged ladder, it's simply not worth it. It's not worth the risk of injury or worse. Your well-being is the priority. Set up on firm level ground, ensuring a stable base. Use the 4-to-1 rule for angle, providing optimal stability and preventing falls. Always maintain 3 points of contact while climbing, and never overreach. Reposition the ladder instead. For bigger jobs, where you need more space and stability, scaffolding provides a stable platform, allowing for greater freedom of movement. Build it on solid ground, ensuring a level and secure foundation. Lock every section securely, preventing any accidental collapses. And install cross braces for added stability and support. Full planking across the entire platform, guardrails to prevent falls, and toe boards are a must to prevent tools and materials from falling. Inspect scaffolding daily before you start any work. Check for damage or changes that might compromise its integrity. Keep your work area tidy and free from obstructions, and never overload the scaffold beyond its specified weight limits. Dismantle from the top down, in a controlled manner, lowering components safely to avoid any accidents or damage. A methodical, safety-first approach is crucial for every task. It keeps everyone working efficiently and reduces the risk of incidents. Teamwork is essential, communication is key. Everyone's safety depends on it, so look out for one another. Proper setup and use prevent accidents and injuries, and protect expensive glass from damage during installation. Take shortcuts, ignore the rules, and you risk disaster with potentially devastating consequences. Master ladders and scaffolding, understand the best practices, and you'll work faster and safer every single time. That's the foundation, the bedrock of every successful glazing job, completed safely and efficiently. When a client wants a window, they want more than just a view. Glaziers guide clients to the right glass for safety, security, and efficiency. Annealed glass is basic but breaks dangerously. Tempered glass is stronger and safer, shattering into small pieces. Tempered glass must be ordered to size, measurements must be perfect. Laminated glass sandwiches, a plastic layer for security and soundproofing. Think car windshields and storefronts. For energy efficiency, insulated glass units, IGUs, use double or triple panes with gas fills and low-E coatings. The right combination can slash heating and cooling bills. Your job is to know the options and explain them clearly. Every project demands the right glass for the job. The right choice means safety, comfort, and satisfied clients. Glazing often means working high above the ground, where gravity never takes a break. Fall protection is non-negotiable. Use a personal fall arrest system, PFAS, every time. PFAS includes a secure anchor, a full-body harness, and a lanyard or self-retracting lifeline. Inspect your harness and anchor before every use. No exceptions. Anchor points must be engineered for the load, never improvised. Keep your connections short and above you to minimize fall distance. On high-rises, glaziers rely on temporary anchors and lifelines, moving with deliberate care. Site safety matters. Guardrails, hole covers, and daily safety talks are essential. Always know the rescue plan. Suspension can be dangerous. Check your gear, check your partners, and never take shortcuts. Working at height demands constant awareness. Trust your training and your equipment. Safety is the only way to work, and to go home at the end of the day. Glaziers don't just handle glass, they build the systems that hold it. Casement windows may arrive pre-assembled, but sometimes you build them on site: hinges, sash, crank, and hardware. Ensure everything is square and smooth before installing the glass. Sliding doors and windows rely on tracks and rollers. Frame first, then glass, then adjust for a perfect slide. Storefronts are giant aluminum puzzles. Cut, assemble, square, and lift the frame into place as a team. Precision is everything. One mistake, and the system fails. Sliding and folding glass systems are even more complex, with heavy panels hanging from perfectly level tracks. The head track must be flawless. Every panel depends on it. Teamwork and patience are key. Rushing leads to disaster. Every system is different, but the goal is the same. Flawless operation and a perfect fit. The best installations look effortless. Behind the scenes, it's all skill and planning. That's the glazier's craft. Installing glass changes with every frame: wood, vinyl, or aluminum. Wood frames require classic craftsmanship: seal the rabbet, lay putty set glass, secure with points, and finish with a neat bevel. Vinyl frames use dry glazing: set the glass on blocks, snap in the vinyl bead, and ensure a tight seal. Aluminum frames, common in storefronts, use setting blocks and rubber gaskets for a robust, weatherproof fit. Each system demands the right materials. Wrong sealants or blocks can cause leaks or cracks. Always follow manufacturer specs for every component. The frame and glazing method are a complete system. Guessing leads to failure. Know your materials, know your methods. The right approach means decades of trouble-free performance. Glazing is more than glass, it's understanding the whole system. Master the details and your work will last. That's the mark of a true glazier. No glazier works alone. Teamwork is essential on every site. Coordination with other trades keeps projects on track and prevents costly mistakes. Communication is key. Attend safety meetings, check schedules, and talk to the crew. Paperwork matters. Daily reports, incident logs, and change orders protect everyone. Change orders document scope and cost changes. Get them signed before you proceed. Good records mean fewer disputes and faster payment. Professionalism is more than skill. It's showing up, learning, and taking pride in your work. You're not just installing glass, you're building homes, offices, and businesses. The satisfaction of a job well done is unmatched. Take pride in every detail, from measurement to cleanup. The world needs skilled builders. Be one of them. Work hard, stay safe, and build something that lasts. That's the glazier's legacy.